Good morning. This video is from Success Convent, Melachevil, Tirunelveli, Tamil Nadu. Today I am going to take a lesson for grade 3. Subject Science, lesson number 2, page number 54. Name of the lesson is Plant World. Name of the lesson is Plant World. Continuation of the lesson. You can take page number 54. Inside of a seed. Inside of a seed. So this is inside of a seed. You can see here. On page number 54, there is a picture here, inside of a seed. So this is a seed and you see tiny seed leaves called cotyledons. You can see tiny seed leaves called cotyledons. Inside the seed, a baby plant is present between the cotyledons. You can see inside the seed, the baby plant present between the cotyledons. The baby plant contains a baby shoot. The baby plant contains a baby shoot and a baby root. The cotyledons store food for the baby plants. Cotyledons store the food for the baby plant. Some seeds like grams, beans and peas have two cotyledons. They have two cotyledons. Some seeds like rice and wheat have only one cotyledons. So this is the inside of a seed and this is a seed leaves cotyledons and this is a baby shoot and this is a baby root. Okay, U, seed, tiny, 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 seed, 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 leaves, 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 called, called, called cotyledons, 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 inside, 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 the seed, seed, full stop. A, baby plant, baby, plant, 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 is present, 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 between, ween, between, the cotyledons, 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 the baby, baby, plant, plant, contains, contains, a baby shoot, baby, shoot, 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 and and a baby, baby, root, root, root. This is a baby shoot and this is a baby root and baby shoot. The cotyledons, 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 store, store, food, food, for, the baby, baby, plant, plant, plant. The cotyledons store food for the baby plant. Some seeds, some seeds, seeds, comma, like, grams, 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 comma, beans, 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 and peas, peas, comma, have, two cotyledons, cotyledons, cotyledons. Some seeds, some seeds, seeds, comma, like, rice, rice, and wheat, wheat, comma, have, only, only, one cotyledons, cotyledons. You see tiny seed leaves called cotyledons inside the seed. A baby plant is present between the cotyledons. The baby plant contains a baby shoot and a baby root. The cotyledons store food for the baby plant. Some seeds like grams, beans and peas have two cotyledons. Some seeds like rice and wheat have one cotyledons. Now this you can see here, germination of seed. Germination of seeds. So this is a germination of a seed. You can see here, this is a seed and this is seedling. Okay, the seed, first this is a seed. The seed absorbs water through the seed hole. Next, this is seedling. The root first grows downwards. And this one you can see, then the root starts growing upwards. And you can see here, this is a young plant. This is a young plant. The baby plant grows with green leaves. The baby plant grows with a green leaves. It starts growing its own food. It starts making its own food. So the baby plants grows with green leaves. It starts making its own food. It's in, see, you can see here. It soon grows into a big plant. Okay, you can see here. The growing of a baby plant. The growing of a baby plant from a seed is called germination. The growing of a baby plant from a seed is called germination. We know that a single plant produces many seeds, but only few of them germinate. Let us find out the conditions required for germination of seeds. So already I explained you. Okay, germination of seeds. The growing, 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 of a baby, baby, plant, 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 from from a seed, seed, is called, called germination, 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 full stop. Know, know, that, a single, single, plant, plant, produces, produces many, many, seeds, seeds, but, only, only, few, few, of, them, them, germinate, germinate. Let us find, let us, find, find, out, out, the, conditions, conditions, required, required, for, germination, germination, of, seeds, seeds. This is a seed, seedling, and then starts growing this upwards, and you can see here this is a young plant. Okay, this today's homework is page number 54. This page number 54 you have to draw like this first, and after this one also, inside of your seed you can see here, inside of your seed you should draw, and you should draw this one also, and activity you should do at home, today. Okay, thank you. You should write neatly one time, reading one time. Thank you.